This is June 2016, paper 2R, and this is question number 3. Many shops have food devices that attract and kill flying insects. It consists of an ultraviolet lamp, plastic mesh on the outside, electrified wire below the plastic mesh, and a transformer that is connected to the wire grid. It's got a nice little picture there of it. The ultraviolet lamp attracts many flying insects towards the device. Ultraviolet is an electromagnetic wave. We only need two properties here. You just need to state them. So we could say travels at the speed of light at 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, which is the speed of light. They are transverse, because on the electromagnetic spectrum, and all of them are transverse. They transfer energy. It's valid, but it's not as good as the first two. The first two are very easy. Can be reflected. It can be reflected, refracted. You know those. Or diffracted. Which of these electromagnetic radiations has a frequency greater than ultraviolet? So if we try to draw it out, then we're going to have radio at this end, we're going to have gamma at this end, and then which side would ultraviolet go? Well, it's here, and then in between that we've got X-rays, and then we've got light, and then we've got infrared, and then we've got microwaves. So what's above has a greater frequency than ultraviolet. This is the way frequency goes up, and this is the way wavelength goes up. So if we've got ultraviolet here, which of these has a greater frequency? Not infrared, because that's there. Not radio waves, that's down there. Not visible light, because that's right there. The only one is gamma rays for 1 mark. B, the transformer supplies an output voltage of 2000 volts AC to the wire grid. The input voltage is 230. Give the name of this type of transformer. It's a step up. If it's got an output bigger than the input, then it must be a step up transformer. State the relationship between input voltage, output voltage, primary turns, secondary turns. So we'd have voltage primary over voltage secondary is number of turns on the primary, number of turns on the secondary. I'm going to state that for 1 mark. Then we're going to try and get that there are 110 turns on the primary, calculate the number of turns on the secondary. So first thing we have to do is rearrange the equation here, which would equal NP times Vs over Vp. So number of turns on the primary is 110, voltage on the secondary is 2000, divide that by the voltage on the primary, which is 230, and we would get the number of turns as being 960 for 3 marks. Suggest the reason why is there a plastic mesh on the outside of the device. Very simply, 1 mark, to protect people. It's 2000 volts to protect people from high voltage. There we go, and that's question number 3.